Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 4 fasteners securing the housing. Remove the 4 fasteners that secure the housing. Lift the housing. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF5185 filter into the housing. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. Remember that driving without an air filter is dangerous, and replacing your filter can improve your gas mileage. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, re-engage the fasteners. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.